Hello friends, welcome to Miss Tasha's Kitchen. Today I have a fun activity for you to make. I'm sure you guys are excited to do something fun. Well, in front of me I have all the ingredients I'm going to need for our very fun activity. It's going to be Play-doh. Fun Play-doh for all of us to make. Well, for this activity, you are going to need some adult help, and you're going to need some things from your kitchen. You are going to need some measuring cups. You're going to need a bowl and a spoon. You are going to need Ziploc bags. You are going to need food coloring, cooking oil, warm water, cream of tartar, salt, and all-purpose flour. Okay. On my board, as you can see, I have some numbers next to some letters. These letters are our ingredients that we are going to use for our Play-doh. The first number you see is 2, and it says cups of flour. So here's my measuring cup, and you can count with me. We need 2 cups of this. One cup. Two cups. The next thing it says you need is 3/4 cups of salt. 3/4 cups. The cup that I'm going to use for this says 1/4 cup. So yep, you're right. I am going to need 3 of these because my first number says 3. 1, 2, 3 of these. Okay, we're all done with the salt, so we'll put that away. The next thing it says I need is 4 teaspoons of cream of tartar. That number is 4 teaspoons of cream of tartar. So this is my teaspoon. It's a small one. 1, 2, 3, 4. All done with that. Don't lose your board, Miss Tasha. Okay. The next ingredient I have on my board is the number 2, and it says cups of warm water. So here's my cup again. I'm going to need 2 of these. Count with me. 1, 2. Okay, we're all done with the warm water. Okay, I have a spoon. I'm going to stir that around a little bit. The next thing it says I need is 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. That's a bigger one. That number's 2 tablespoons. 1, don't forget to count with me, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'm going to mix this together. And we all know that Play-doh is kind of thick. But once we mix all of our ingredients together, your adult will stir it for 2 minutes. Your adult's going to keep stirring it on the stove for 2 minutes. And when it's all done, surprise, you will have Play-doh. It's going to be nice and thick. Okay? See that? I can move it around in my hands. Now here comes the part where you need your Ziploc bag. Take your Ziploc bag, and you can take some of your Play-doh and you can put it inside the Ziploc bag. And then you can choose what color you want. I'm going to choose purple. You have to cut the lid off of these. I'm going to choose purple. I'm going to put some purple food coloring in my bag with my Play-Doh so we can make it another color. So again, we're putting liquid with our solid Play-Doh, and we're going to smash it around just a little bit so that we can have a color. And you can see my Play-Doh is not white anymore. My Play-Doh has turned a color. When I take it out of my bag, my Play-Doh has turned purple. And you can make things with it. You can roll it. You can pinch it and make balls. Or you can choose to make another color. You take your white Play-Doh and let's put some green in this time. You can put some green food coloring in so that you can make green Play-Doh. Let's squeeze some in there. And you smash your white Play-Doh around with the green food coloring. Again, mix your solid food coloring with your liquid, your solid Play-Doh with your liquid food coloring. And smash it around. And when you open your bag, now you have green Play-Doh. Look at that. Smash around a little bit more, and when it'll be all ready for you to play with. You can roll it. You can make a ball with it, a big ball, or you can make some small balls, or you can make a snake even. Roll it out for more, roll it out a little more, and you can have a long snake. So, that's the end of how we make Play-Doh. And I hope you had fun making Play-Doh with Miss Tasha. I'll see you next time, friends. Thank you.